Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind my shaky hand and my crazy hair and all of that. Today I'm making keto bread. Reese and Peyton are sick and they are home from school, so I didn't go to work today. And so I decided it was a great time to try this bread recipe. My camera battery is dead and I've already started, so I'm just recording on my phone. It's life, right? Okay, so let's see. What do we got here? All right, so I have my egg white separated from my yolks, 6 eggs. I have my cream of tartar, and I have my bread pan. I have my butter softening. I have baking powder and almond flour, and that's all you're gonna need. You are gonna want to, you are gonna want also salt, a pinch of salt. But you're gonna want to preheat your oven to 375. And what we're gonna do next is beat our egg whites and the cream of tartar until we get peaks. I gotta turn this TV off. So I've added in the 4th teaspoon of the cream of tartar, and if you've never done this before, you want to make sure that you have a very clean glass or metal bowl. This will not work in a plastic bowl. And what we're basically doing is getting as much air as we can into the egg whites, and that's what's going to turn it into the whipped cream type. And that's what's going to turn it into like the whipped cream type. So you're just going to keep doing this. I feel sorry for you if you don't have a hand mixer, if you do have to whisk it by hand, but it can be done. I did it before. It is not fun at all. I tried to make that cloud bread a long time ago, and it was very difficult because I did not have a hand mixer, and I did not have a glass bowl. So, also, your bowl has to be very clean. There cannot be, this is probably extremely loud, I just decided. Your bowl cannot have any sort of smudge marks or oils from your hands. So you're going to want to just keep doing this until you get to peaks. And peaks means when you can make little mountains out of this stuff and it stays. Alright, so I have them whipped to soft little peaks. Look at that little peak. And I have my yolks, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1.5 cups of almond flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt in here. I'm going to mix this up until it makes a dough, and then I'll add those. Alright, so I have lined my pan with some dampened parchment paper. It makes it a lot easier to go along the sides. However, anyways, I mixed in the almond flour, all that together, and then once that was mixed, then I added in the egg whites, mixed those all together, made a nice dough, put it in my pan, and I'm going to put this in the oven at 375 degrees for, that is the one thing I didn't write down, half an hour. So let's see you in 30 minutes, guys. And here it is, guys, out of the oven. I did check it with a toothpick, and it is good. And oh my god, it smells so delicious. I'm going to let it cool for a little bit, and then I will lift it up out of here. And then we'll slice it up, and I will make my first meal of the day, my little sandwich. Can't wait. Alright, guys, so as you can see, this bread is not very tall. I took a bite. So I'm not sure what I did wrong. I followed the directions. So it said you're supposed to get 20 slices. I know I cut these a little bit thick, but I mean, I could try to cut them. I don't want to ruin it. So since it was supposed to be only 1 carb per slice, I'm just going to say it's 2 carbs per slice since I only got 10 and I'm supposed to have 20. I will say it does taste really good. So that's a plus. I'm going to go ahead and try to slice it a little bit thinner. Alright guys, I'm convinced I did something wrong. I'm not sure what. The bread tastes good, so I mean, that's fine. I did get my 20 slices. on the ends, those didn't fare so well. They kind of fell apart. But I mean, I can't make a sandwich out of this. I can have them on the side. This would be a very weird looking sandwich, right? Either way, it still tastes good. I don't know what I did wrong. This would be something I try for another day. Let me know if you guys tried this and how yours turned out.